Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Bring the spurs towards the end of the windshield wiper arm by pushing downwards. While holding onto the windshield wiper arm, slide the rubber wiper off. Place a cloth of folded paper towels onto the windscreen to protect the glass as you place the arm down. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down to the arm of the wiper, then using your fingers, push upwards and clip it into place. Lift the arm of the windshield wiper. Position your right hand on the arm to hold it in a raised position. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Position the new wiper so that the small fixing bar is located in front of the hollow used to house the wiper. Once again, holding on to the arm of the windshield wiper, apply pressure towards you to reclip the new rubber wiper. Operation completed.